Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to make the namul with the Hung Miao. I don't know how to pronounce in Chinese. Anyway, this is I bought from the local supermarket. Okay, let's get started. You open the package, you rinse the vegetables. So boiling water here. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. I'm going to add the vegetable from the bottom, yeah, stand down, yeah, stand side down. So the stems become softer and then going to sink. Then use a tongue to have the vegetables sink completely. Once finished boiling, cooking, drain the water. Okay, then rinse well in the water. Drain the water. Next, cut the vegetables, probably 3cm pieces. Prepare a bowl. Squeeze a little bit more water out. Okay, let's season the vegetables. This one, garlic, salt, drizzle, sesame seed, vinegar, a bit, perilla oil. Mix. Number is done. So transfer to the dish. Look at this, done. Quite simple, straightforward. So you can. I'm gonna upload more namul side dishes cooking videos. If you like this cooking video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more cooking videos. Thank you. 감사합니다.